This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 2 of C language, and the topic name is text editor. So let's start. A text editor is a software that allows programmers to write and edit computer programs. All IDEs have their own specific text editors. It is the main screen of an IDE where we can write our program. So let's switch to the code blocks IDE, where we will execute a program and understand that what is an IDE and what is the purpose of a text editor. So here we are, viewers. This is the code blocks layout. From here we will click on the file menu, go to the new option, go to the empty file. So you can see this is the text editor, where you can see the title of it is Untitled 1, because we have not given any name to this program or file. So we will write a simple C language program. We will include the header file, which we will discuss the concept in our next videos, that what are the header files and what is the purpose of using them. So it's very necessary and essential in order to execute a C language program. We will type void main function, and under the curly braces structure of the main program we will type printf and then hello, enclosed in parentheses and double quotes. So we can have this output on the screen. So this is the text editor where we can write a program. So this is you can see over here, this is Untitled 1. I'm gonna save it. Go to the file menu, go to the save file, go to D drive my computer. Over here I'm gonna create a new folder with name C programs, and then under this folder I'm gonna type the name as hello world, name of the file, and the extension I'm gonna use is C language. From above, scroll up and go over here and see the C and C++ files extension over here. So I have selected it, pressing on the save button. So this is the program without any error. So viewers, the above figure shows a basic C language program written in the text editor of IDE code blocks. When executed, this program displays hello world on computer screen. We have to save our file before it can be executed. We have named our program file as hello world.c. .c is the extension which is used for C programs, and then we can click on the build and run button to see the program's output as pointed by an arrow. So let's switch to the text editor where we will see how this program can be executed, and we see the output on the screen by clicking on the arrow button. First we need to build the program, and then we'll click on the run button in order to see the output on the screen. So let's switch to the IDE code blocks viewers. So here's the program you can see, and then here is the build button which we were just discussed in our video, and now we're gonna click on it so you can see the build file, no target, no project, compiler unknown. So I'm gonna run this program, and now you can see the output on the screen as hello program. So I'm going to type hello world instead and type method clr_scr, function which is used to clear the contents on the screen. Type get ch, and we're going to include conii.h. Now I'm going to run this. Need to build this program. There's an error. So I'm gonna make it a comment and then build it. Now there's no error, no warnings, no 0 minutes, 0 seconds. The program is executed very fastly. I'm gonna run it. You can see just the hello world. If I don't use that clr_scr message, then you can never see that because it is not executed in code blocks. This is the output you can see. If you close it now, you will run it. I just see hello world without any error. So clr_scr actually clear the contents of the screen in any C program language. Now we'll see console. This is the console actually, which is called the output screen. So we should understand what is the text editor. This is the text editor area, and this is the area where we can see the code blocks, errors, messages, and this area is actually called the console area. So I'm going to explain the console area as well, and this debugging area as well, where you can build the program and then run the program, and then you can see all that messages like errors messages, warning messages, and the time taken to execute this program. So this is the button where we can click and then begin running a C language program in code blocks, and when the program is executed without any errors. In the debugging section you can see all the warning messages were 0 and the errors messages were 0 and the time calculated to execute the program. Here is the output screen, and this is the C program output, actual output, which is called a console. This is called a console screen, showing the output is displayed in above figure. So viewers, after discussing the text editor and the output console screen and the running a C program in code blocks IDE, we will discuss compiler today. Computers only understands and work in machine language consisting of zeros and ones. They require the conversion of a program written in programming language to machine language in order to execute it. This is achieved using a compiler. A compiler is software that is responsible for conversion of a computer program written in some high-level programming language to machine language code. So that's all, viewers. In our next video we will discuss about programming basics of C language and discuss reserved words which are used in C language. That's all. Thanks for watching.